Well, hello, guys, ladies and gentlemen. How's everybody doing? It is now 10:05 on a Monday afternoon. And, well, let me try and explain something to you. I think I'm already... Well, let me not get too far ahead of the game here. Williams Knife Life has sent me all of this wonderful stuff that you see here. He sent me this awesome, I mean absolutely awesome, lock picking set right here. This thing is awesome. I have off and on. Now, I've been very busy today. I haven't had a great chance to get at it, but I did. I couldn't help myself but to play around just a little bit. You know what I mean? I just had to. So, you got this awesome lock picking set here that William sent me. And I guess that these are, I forget what these are. These are keys. These are all the different size. Well, as time goes on, and I have any questions, he will let me know. But these are what you stick in originally. I always watch him, and I didn't think he was going to send me this see-through lock to me. I didn't think he was able to send this to me, but that's awesome. As a matter of fact, I was going to ask him where to get one of these, because I want to look at the internals and I want to see what's going on. And this is the only proper way to really learn about what's going on in there. You know what I mean? So this is super important to me as far as getting off on the ground running here. I was playing around with this earlier, just messing around. I was watching William, how he was doing his videos, and I was watching very, very carefully because I'm a pretty good student. Now, he would always take, let's see which one. Now, they all have different sizes. They're all different sizes, and I don't know if the thickness is any different. It may be, but he would always get this, and he would stick this. Let me try and do this around the camera. It's not going to be that easy now. And he would stick this in here. Wait a minute. Like so. Hold on a minute. I'm in. And he would turn it. He would turn it and hold it a certain way. There you go. He would turn it and hold it like that, I think. Then what you do is the idea, or I don't really. Hold on, guys. I cannot work around. I want to pick the one that I think he uses a lot of. Hold on, guys. I gotta put this down. So he would get one of these guys here, okay? He's got this here, and what he would do is he told me not, and I have been going very easy because these will break. But you stick it in. Now I'm in, and it felt like something was moving. It felt like something was doing something in there. And then he holds it off to the side like this. Then he goes in here with this. Oops. Then he goes in here. There we go. Then he goes in. No. try this again. I want to stick this in here. I'm in. Can't go in there. That's a loose. Just getting the feel of this, guys. But that goes right in. I wonder if it's supposed to be that loose. Let me, no. This main thing, this is the main thing that's got to go in first. He manipulates this, and he somehow holds his thumb over here and manipulates this thing and holds it something like this, and then he goes and sticks the pick in here, and I thought something was seriously happening. See, not yet. Not yet. See, the problem, it's not a problem, but you have to get the right, I have to find the right one of these. So if that one wasn't working, I'm going to keep on trying these until I find one that fits better, maybe. See, I'm getting movement in there. I'm moving it. I'm spinning it. I'm just looking. Go back to I don't think you're supposed to do any kind of turning with this. This is just supposed to go in, and you're supposed to just manipulate it as it's in there. And it's just supposed to pop open. But you don't do any turning with this. You don't want to wreck that. You don't want to do any turning with that. So this is basically what I'm confused with, William, are these keys. I forget the name of these. I forget how to, what you call these and how you, what these are for. I know that they get stuck in the, lock itself first, right? Before I even touch any of the picks, right? I don't touch a pick. There's my picks. I don't touch a pick until I'm in here, right? I don't touch a pick until I'm in there. Now, once I'm in there, I got to figure out what I'm looking for, what I'm supposed to be feeling for as far as then I'm going to stick my pick in there. But there's probably a certain feel or a tension. See, but that feels loose. I'm just looking around the lens. This, it looks too short probably. So I just put that aside and then I move on to the next one until it feels, now this one's got a twist. This one's got a twist on the end here. See it? It's got a twist and it's got a long, deep, it's a longer, deeper notch, you know, so it'll really go in there deep. So I'm just seeing, just playing with them. It's kind of like a Rubik's Cube, so to speak. Stuck it in there. Now I don't have no movement there. So if I'm in there, I'm curious on there you go. Something is majorly moving in there now. So if I hold it like that for the time being, let's get this pick back in here. Uh-oh. Let me try another one. Keep going down the line. Keep going down the line until I find one that I think is... First, I want to see what it's supposed to feel like when I'm using this, this key here. There has to be something that I'm going to have to... See, that just goes right in the hole. Then he was turning it. He was turning it, and then he would hold... He would get the position he liked or that he felt, and then he would hold it with his finger. He would hold it with his finger. Like so. Then he would go in with his key. He would go in with his key and start doing his process with his key. But what I'm saying is this is going to take me a little bit of work. I'm going to conquer. I'm going to work on just this one here. I think that it would be a good start. Once I pop this one, I should be pretty much on my way. These, I had them. I was doing the same thing with these. I was sticking them in. I was sticking these keys, these in here. And I was, you know, I was moving. I was trying a bunch of these different picks out. You know, I was just feeling it out. You know what I mean? And, but yeah, just really awesome. I could probably sit there all night and just probably play with just this one. I'm going to start with just this one here. And I could probably play all night until I conquer that. Until I get that conquered, I'm the type of guy who'll sit there. I'll stay up all night long until I pop this. I will pop this. But just, again, a quick video. William, if you watch the video, what do I look for with these with these. When I stick them in, when I stick it in, do I turn it, or when do I know to go to my pick and insert the pick? And I don't turn the pick, right? You don't turn that pick. You just stick the pick in and pull it in and out, right? So you never turn the pick. I'll have to go back and watch another couple videos of his. That's all. No big deal. He's got so many videos out on this lock picking. I'll have to go back and I'll have to study how he inserts this into the lock, and then he goes to the pick. So I'm gonna have to relook at that. I'm gonna have to relook at that, because right now I'm just sticking it in. I'm just sticking this in. I'm sticking the lock in. And, I mean, there's play in there. I don't know what to feel for. I don't know. Do I just keep this over and then stick the pin? I gotta relook it. I gotta relook at it. See how he does it. I gotta relook at it and see how he does it. But absolutely fantastic. I couldn't thank you more for this, William. It's an absolute fantastic gift, and this pick set is just unbelievable. Not beautiful little set, and all the locks here. You set me all up. I thought I was going to have to go out and buy a couple locks, because I really don't have. Believe it or not, I was thinking of it too. I was like, I don't even know if I have locks when he sends me the kit. I don't have this many locks. I don't have things that I have to lock up like this. I think I have 1 or 2 locks. I think my wife has a lock like this big one for the back of her truck that she used to use or something. I think we have one of these big ones somewhere laying around. And there's another one we have, like this smaller one here for our fence. To lock the fence. So I got a couple of them, but these are great. I'll be working with all these, but I got to start with this one here first. I got to see what's going on the innards. You know what I mean? So anyway, once again, we will get there, and I'll keep on working at it. I'll keep on working at it till I crack it. But anyway, thanks again, William. I couldn't thank you enough. You guys be good, be well, be safe. And I'm going to come back in another video and keep on trying at this. Keep on cracking at it. Thanks, guys. Be well. Thanks.